Hi guys, you're watching Joshi's Tech. This is Sripadh Joshi and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing Honor MediaPad T3 10 9.6 inches tablet. So let's do it. So here is the box. It is blue color and there's the Honor branding mentioned side of the box. Is 32 GB RAM, 3 GB model. Let's look at the back. There is some information given in the back. So let's unbox it. Okay, this is the tablet given in the box. Looks pretty good. So this is Honor MediaPad T3. As you can see, this is gold and white color. So let's keep the tablet aside and look at the series given in the box. So this is power brick, as you can see. There is Huawei branding on it. Let's check the output of it. So it is 5 volts 1 amp. Okay, let's check the another series box. This is SIM ejector 2, as you can see. Let's look in the box. What else there? So this is Huawei warranty card given in the box. There is other paperwork, a quick start guide and a manual. Let's keep aside. This is a cable. This is micro USB cable, USB to micro USB cable. Let's keep the accessories aside. Let's check the tablet. This is Huawei MediaPad T3. So I have already set it up. So let's get directly started. This is Huawei Honor MediaPad T3. As you can see, it runs on Android version 7.0 Nougat and EMUI version 5.1.3. It's based on Snapdragon 425 processor and 1.4 GHz, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Android security patch 1st September 2018. We'll get regularly updates in this tablet. And now we'll see. Let's see. There is autofocus. So here are the samples taken by this Honor MediaPad T3. The camera is not great, but okay. I bought it from the Flipkart Big Billion Days for 12,000 rupees. Let's check the sound quality of it. Let's open YouTube. Here's the sound quality of it. The display is not too good, but okay. It's not 1080p display, but it is a 720p display. Here is the speaker given at the bottom of the tablet, and here is the mic. And as you can see, sound quality is great for its price. Okay, let's go back and let's check out some themes. There are 4 themes pre-installed in this tab, so you can customize as much as you want. These are Huawei apps given inbuilt, and these are Google apps. These are, and Microsoft Office is pre-built on it. There are some social apps, Facebook, Share It, etc. You can download it from Play Store. So, and okay, let's check the symmetry of it. Okay, it is hybrid SIM slot. You can put either both SIMs or one nano SIM and one micro SD card. So that's it for this video, and let's meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.